Our kitchen towels and cloths are extra absorbent and tough on messes in the kitchen and around the house. Great for drying dishes and hands, cleaning sinks and countertops, and so much more. Let's put our kitchen towel to the test and see just how absorbent it is. Quick side note, this is our beautiful sea mist color. It's available in our most popular Safe Haven package. Check out how easily it holds 1.5 cups of water. And there's no dripping. Yep, all gone. Now, let's put the paper towels to the same test. It's time to switch to Norwex and ditch those paper towels.